Welcome back to Visual Studio Code and Docker training. This is the final section, the course's resource and recap. Now, the resources we'll get right into because there's some great resources on the internet, and the Visual Studio Code documentation is excellent. I must say, you can just walk through the documentation. There's lots of examples. It's also all on GitHub, so if you do find any issues, you can just submit a pull request and get it fixed. And please contribute back if you find something or add new features. There's also the awesome Visual Studio Code list. If you don't know the awesome lists, they're actually a list of resources. So it tells you like training material and best practices, how-tos, all these things are baked into this list. There's also Visual Studio Code GitHub, where actually the open source version of Visual Studio Code is all open source. So you can actually fix bugs or make changes yourself if you find anything. And finally, this entire presentation is a link in the section down below, or you can see the link here. There's also a link down below. There's a link everywhere. There's also a copy of the presentation attached. Course recap, we did a lot, right? We came a long way. We really, took a look at the Docker extension UI. We played around with it. We installed with it. We understand how the command palette works. We bootstrapped a Docker project or Python application. We interacted with it, we wrote a Docker file, we debugged, we connected to Docker hosts, and we learned a bunch of new shortcuts within Visual Studio Code. And now you are a power user. Congratulations.